Hello students, this is your computer teacher and today we are going to continue with the third part of the chapter Review Python. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the overview of what we are going to do today. Today we are going to do two things. First one is the comments that we can add in Python. Basically these are categorized into single line comments and multiple line comments, and we'll know what are they. The second thing that we are going to do is the types of control structures. So without further ado, let's start with what comments are. Comments are the statements in a program that are not executed by the interpreter, but they are just added to guide the programmer about the program, which helps him to understand the code better and quick. Now this basically means that comments are not executable. They are not to be read by the interpreter and executed accordingly. But basically when a programmer needs some help, what if a programmer A creates a program and a programmer B looks at that program? So if someone wants to add some comments so that the programmer B or programmer C or programmer D reads the code, for the better understanding of it, the comments are added by the first programmer. Basically, these are of two types. As I told you earlier, single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments, as the name suggests, are of one line only. And they are introduced in a Python program using a hash symbol. Whereas multi-line comments are able to explain things better and in more detail. So these multi-line comments can be added using a delimiter. What is a delimiter? Three consecutive double quotes are known as a delimiter. And the comment or a multi-line comment is always added between two delimiters, as shown in the example below. Here, 6 consecutive single quotes, or I should say 3 consecutive double quotes, are added first to begin the multi-line comment. Then we add the comment. Here it is of single line, just to give you an idea, but we can add multiple lines like in a paragraph or something like that. And we will end the comment as well using a delimiter, which is again 3 consecutive double quotes without any space. Next, we move on to the types of control statements. Now, as I told you, we are going to do the types of control statements. Now, control statements basically tell you about how the control is going to move within a program, which things are to be executed first and which things are to be executed next. So basically, the control statements are of three types. The first type here is, as you can see on the screen, sequential statement. Now sequential statements are the statements which are executed one after the other. Whereas the second type is a conditional statements. Name suggests, follow the condition, follow the rules. The third one is iterative statements. So basically the conditional statements execute the program according to a condition. For example, if this happens, then we will do this. Or if this does not happen, then we will do that. Such conditions and such things in a program can be done using conditional statements, where we can apply some condition to a situation to get the result. Whereas the iterative statements mean to perform a particular task again and again and again by giving a very minute change in it. So what are these basic conditional statements that we have in this chapter will be done in the next chapter. I hope you all understood the concepts. If you're having any doubts, you can reach out to me, and until the next time, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.